Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to invite friends and level up fast at LSSC. For that, first of all, you need to open your web browser, and here in the search bar, you need to just search for lightsha.com. So lightsha is the official website where you can log into your LSSC account. Now once you are on this page, simply provide your login credentials and log into your account first. After that, in order to invite your friends, you will need to have your own unique referral link and the referral code. So in order to get that, simply tap on the share option on the home page, and here tap on the option of invite now. Now as soon as you tap on the invite now option, it is going to give you three different sections like a QR code, an invitation code and a referral link. So you can choose any of these to invite your friends to LSSC. Let's say you want to refer friends with the help of the link, so you just have to copy the link from here, and then you can just share this link on WhatsApp, Instagram, or wherever your friends and family are available. So you just have to send them, and when they join LSSC via your link or your QR code or your referral code, you will be able to level up fast at LSSC. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.